Hey guys, we're at the Dollar Tree in Providence, Utah. Look at how pretty the mountains are. Aren't they gorgeous? A little hazy today. But let's go inside and see if they got anything new for us today, shall we? Let's go. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at these pillow covers. 18 by 18. Make today beautiful. Grateful, thankful, blessed. Have a little faith. You guys, have you seen these before? Look at how cool those are. Look at these, you guys. Isaac Nazarari, New York. They're slippers. And there's a whole bunch. They're super soft too. Look at this little kitten cafe. Create your own meowable bracelet. And they're so cute. So here's a little blue one. And there's a little green one. Try not to shake the camera. And a little pink one. And a little purple one. How cute are those? Look at these, guys. Troll Series 8 blind bags. You love blind bags. Here's some new ones here at the Dollar Tree. Check out these Wild Creatures 3D dinosaur puzzles. Long neck. How about Land Before Time? Anybody remember that video? Three horns don't play with long necks. It was a good movie and a sad movie all at once. But my daughter loves dinosaurs. Aren't those cute? We have these cute little skirts. Blue with gold polka dots. Purple with gold polka dots. Lonely white one. And pink. And then of course your wand that lights up to go with it. Not sure how it lights up, but it says it does. And don't forget, here you got your ninja masks. Pirate playset. Sword. Another sword. And then this pirate playset. Complete with eye patch, binoculars, and compass. Does anybody think of Johnny Depp and that compass scene from Pirates of the Caribbean where he's got like the extra long extended, not compass, but extended binoculars that he brings out? That was so funny. I love me some Johnny Depp. Look, they're pretty pink and black pumpkins. Look at how pretty those are. These are really interesting. Never seen these before. And then look at these skulls. They made them pretty. Guys, check these out. Look at these little glass beads. And the glass jars. There's tans, blues, pinks, purples, and like blues and greens. How cool are these, guys? Never seen them before. Never seen these before. Canvas tote bags. They're not super big, but they're cute. Look at these guys. Crafter's Square canvas bags. They're like a crossbody bag. The string, so they have the canvas color. And then they have black. How fun is that with the zipper? Put some of those iron-on patches there, or use some puff paint. How cool are those? These awesome burlap bags. These ones are wider. Crafter square, horizontal. They're kind of plasticky on the inside. And then they have these ones that are tall burlap bags that are kind of plasticky inside. So there's 2 different shapes.